Friends, it has been said that where there is unity, there is always victory. Today my pride and honor has increased for our nation. अकेले में अक्सर हम अपनी परछाइयों से डर जाते हैं. अकेले में अक्सर हम अपनी परछाइयों से डर जाते हैं. साथ मिले अगर किसी का तो हम दुनिया जीत जाते हैं. हम दुनिया जीत जाते हैं. Now I would like to call Nishita Demande to enlighten the thoughts of late Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on this occasion.
What's up, guys? Okay, you all are the sunshine I need. A very sweetest and pleasant good morning to all present over here. Respected honorable chief guest and all the laurels of our coaching who are unitedly attending today's program. Do you know why we gathered here?
Yes.
For what?
For celebrating national unity.
Yeah. All are right. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Rashtriya Ekta Divas to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Myself, Nishita Demande from Standard 10, belongs to Bansilal Kataria High School, is in front of you to say few words on this occasion. Do you know what is meant by unity?
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you. Unity means togetherness, living together, working together, and fitting together. This is the unity. May you all observe in your society that some of us are bonded in a friendship, some of us bonded and united with our family members. This is the unity. Unity guides us the importance of every single person in a group. This is the unity. But don't you ever think why we celebrate this Rashtriya Ekta Divas on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? What's the historical remark behind this? Let me tell you about that great personality, that great leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was given the great title of Iron Man. We celebrate Rashtriya Ekta Divas on 31st of October. This is all about the historical remark behind this. But by focusing on today's generation, this 21st century, is the real unity remains in our nation? No, it is perishing day by day. The graph of the unity is decreasing day by day. Okay, let me ask you one question. Among how many of you have a joint family? And others have a scattered family. That means this is the unity. Okay, few students raise their hand. Related to this example, I want to tell you that even the two brothers with the same blood, with the same parent, can't sustain in the same house. This is the unity in the today's generation. Then when they become the responsible one, they needs their separate keys of doors and lockers too. This is the unity. Am I right or wrong? Yeah, na? Then this is the unity in today's generation. But I want to tell you, I want to give you a message on this Unity Day, that we should be united with everyone in any condition it will. So let me conclude my speech with some lines. हमारी एकता में बसते हैं हमारे देश के प्राण. हमारी एकता में बसते हैं हमारे देश के प्राण. आओ इसे अपनाकर करें नवयुग का निर्माण, नवयुग का निर्माण. By forgetting all the discriminations regarding the caste, religion and categories, कोई फादर है तो कोई है काजी, कोई फादर है तो कोई है काजी, कोई है सन्यासी. एक साथ जब खड़े हो हम तो सिर्फ है भारतवासी, तो सिर्फ है भारतवासी.
Next, I will call upon Sania Sheikh to deliver her views.
Good morning, honorable dignitaries on the dais, respected Pandila sir, respected Pratik sir and all my dear friends. जीत के खातिर जुनून चाहिए, उबालो ऐसा खून चाहिए, ये आसमान भी आएगा जमीन पर, बस इरादों में जीत की गुंज चाहिए. Today we all are gathered here on the special occasion of 146th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The day is celebrated as a National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. The National Unity Day written by the Iron Man of our country, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He born in Nanded, Bombay Presidency in British India in year 1875. He became the Prime Minister of our India in year 1949. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India, a recognition for exceptional organizational skill. During the Bardoli Satyagraha, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel eventually led this satyagraha and its success gave him the title of Sardar by Mahatma Gandhi. The slogan of Sardar is "Take to path of Dharma, the path of truth and justice." He is known for acceding 562 princely states and became the Iron with India and became the Iron Man of our country. Friends, you know why the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of our country? Because he represented India with the partition councils and he given the Herculean task of political integration and of India and is responsible for unifying 562 princely states with India. Thus, its earn gave him the title of Iron Man of India. This is a famous personality for unity and throughout the entire nation. The National Unity Day is observed on 31st August every year all over the India. It celebrates to memorize the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel who united the nation. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Bismarck of India due to his efforts of consolidating fragment parts to dividing India, example princely state or British India. Before I conclude my speech, I will say, जीत एकता में ही बल है, एकता में ही बल है, यह राष्ट्र की हर समस्या का हल है, एकता में ही बल है और इससे देश का सुनहरा कल है, सुनहरा कल है.
Next, I request Gurukant Wandile to express his view.
जब मैं मर जाऊं तो जब मैं मर जाऊं तो मेरी अलग पहचान लिख देना. जब मैं मर जाऊं तो मेरी अलग पहचान लिख देना. खून से मेरे सीने पे हिंदुस्तान लिख देना, हिंदुस्तान लिख देना. Now I wish happy National Unity Day to all of you, my friends, respected Wandile sir and Pratik sir. And the 146th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's full name was Sardar Vallabhbhai Javetbhai Patel, and their father was a farmer. Their father had played a main role in many andolans. And when Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October in 1875 at Gujarat, India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was at 5th, they started to read the book, and at the 10th they read the at least 2 or 3,000 books. After that, their dream was to become a barrister. Their dream was to become a lawyer. So for that they went to the England and did the study of law, and they scored second rank. But they became undefeatable barrister. No one can challenge them in handling the case of a person. And by doing the barristering, they got the experience. They got the experience that how to talk in front of 1,000 crore and numbers of the people, how to influence the people by our speaking, how to control their emotion by the speaking. And from that, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel made an unbreakable willpower. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel become a fearless person. They made the habit of high tolerance. So by that, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was earning so much money, but they want to do something for their country. Do you want to do something for your country? Yes. आवाज नहीं आ रही, जोर से बोलो. Okay. So after that, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel started to participate in so many आंदोलन्स. देशभक्ति का जुनून जब सर पे चढ़ जाता है, देशभक्ति का जुनून जब सर पे चढ़ जाता है, तभी करियर छोड़ के राष्ट्र की सेवा में बड़ा मजा आ जाता है. देशभक्ति का जुनून जब सर पे चढ़ जाता है, तो करियर छोड़ के राष्ट्र की सेवा में बड़ा मजा आ जाता है. So after that, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel struggled so much, and they also participated in so many andolans when we got freedom, or after sacrifices of so many people, the election happened. So, from 15 peoples, 12 people vote Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. How many peoples? 12. One people vote Nehru and two people vote Kripalani. Kripalani was a powerful person at that time. So, but Gandhiji said to left the post of Prime Minister. That's why Sardar Patel left. Otherwise, at the place of Nehru, Sardar Patel will be was be our Prime Minister. And after that, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel struggled so much. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel gave us a message: never to give up. Try and fail. Try and fail. But don't fail to try. Repeat. Try and fail. Repeat. Try and fail. But don't fail to try. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now I call upon Rutuja Ringne to deliver her opinion.
Good morning, Honorable Chief Guest, respected Vandile Sir and respected Burile Sir. Today we all gathered here to celebrate National Unity Day. Everyone knows National Unity Day means Rashtriya Ekta Divas. But what is the exact meaning of unity? Let me explain. The unity of ants work together and use their combined strength to move the thing, because they know work together will give better result than work individual. So ants teach us work together. The importance of unity is explained by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is highly respected for his leadership in uniting 562 states in India. That's why we celebrate National Unity Day. So, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel said that where there is unity, there is a strength, but where there is diversion, there is a weakness. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to speak that शून्यालाही देता येते महत्व, फक्त त्याच्या पुढे एक होऊन उभे राहा, फक्त त्याच्या पुढे एक होऊन उभे राहा. थँक यू.
So I will call upon Harsh Ladi to express his views.
Good morning to one and all present over here, respected chief guest, Sir, Pratik Guril Sir and all my dear friends. Today we have gathered here on the occasion of National Unity Day and the 146th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1785 in Nadiad in Gujarat. He was the Deputy PM of India from 1947 to 1950. He was also popularly known as the Iron Man of India. There was the great contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel making India united. Patel was not interested in politics initially, but after meeting Gandhiji, he was motivated to quit his job and join the independence struggle. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1991, and in order to this, government had made the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel near the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the bank of Narmada River. This is the tallest statue in the world at the height of 182 meters. In 2014, government began to observe this 31st October as National Unity Day on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He left the world on 15 December 1950 due to a severe heart attack. We should not forget Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's effort, and he left the world, but he will always remain alive in our mind. Thank you.
जो अब तक ना खोला वो खून नहीं पानी है, जो अब तक ना खोला वो खून नहीं पानी है, जो देश के काम नहीं आए वो बेकार जवानी है. Good morning to all. I am Avish Savre, respected sir, ma'am, and all my dear friends. Today I am here on this platform to share something Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel, do you know friends, he is known as the Iron Man of India and Bismarck of India, is one of the most influential politicians and freedom fighter of India.